Hi, Nathan here with Trading Threads. Today we have a Lloyd's Multiplex stereo. It's a two-band. It's got the AM and the FM. And this is, again, the Lloyd's. It's model JJ-6954. It's 120 volt, 10 watt stereo. It does have the dual speakers on the left and then again on the right side. Headphone jack, the tuner knob, also the AM FM switch, and you can control the volume on the left side and the right side. Along with that, there's a low tone, high tone button. Of course, you got your on, off, and the auto switch, which sets, you can set that for the alarm. And this clock, the clock is pretty cool. It's a flip clock. It's got the wood grain. It does look like there was another panel here probably at one time. It looks like that has gone missing. But other than that, there's really no cracks or chips. It is unfortunate that is missing. So we'll turn it on here and see how we do. Kind of cool. It's got the light up display there, and right now the volume is on minimum. We can turn up. Let's just turn up just the right side. About halfway. Turn the left side up too. About halfway on those knobs. Different station here. They just don't make displays like this anymore on stereos with the light up, and then it tells you when you the red indicator light when you get a channel dialed in. And you just saw the flip clock there works. Turn it up or max it out. Just the right side on right now. Just the left side now. Turn back down to minimum. And like I said, this is the get it. Model JJ-6954. Thanks for viewing. Have a good day.